Smoke and screams marked the latest deadly Israeli airstrike in Gaza, this one near the Al-Aqsa hospital in the central city of Deir al-Balah. For those who survived, it was an all-too-predictable mad dash to search the rubble of this two-story building for any more victims. At least 20 people are confirmed dead. U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken met with the leader of Bahrain, and his visit with the Palestinian president was met with scuffles outside in anger toward the U.S. Blinken said much of these talks center around what happens when the war is over.
The important work that needs to be done to help Gaza get back on its feet, as well as efforts that countries around the region are clearly prepared to make based on the trip this week to bring countries together to integrate the region.
Separately, the leaders of the Palestinian Authority, Egypt and Jordan, met on Wednesday. Egypt and Jordan have in the past negotiated peace in conflicts between Israel and Hamas, which rules the Gaza Strip. At a border crossing between Israel and Gaza, an Israeli defense official said Israel was not to blame for the slow pace of humanitarian aid. He said there is no food shortage in Gaza and that humanitarian aid groups are not processing the aid fast enough.
There is a need for additional UN manpower to receive and pack the aid. There is also a need for more trucks to transfer the aid to Israel for security checks.
At Jerusalem's Western Wall, thousands of people gathered to pray for the release of the remaining hostages in Gaza, around 133 of them held by Hamas. And in the occupied West Bank, Palestinians gathered in Nelson Mandela Square to thank South Africa for bringing a genocide case against Israel to the International Court of Justice.
We believe that many countries felt our pain, but South Africa decided to put it materially in paper.
But Israel's most powerful ally, the Biden administration, calls the genocide accusation absurd. Andy Roesgen, TRT World.